Hello everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Remember, this YouTube channel is by Jane Nyamanga and it is all about African health issues. So we are in Club 034 in Kitengela, and what we wanted you to do, I want to show you what the club offers as in food. So just come with me and we just sample all their food. So, niambie, what do you offer here? Nyama choma, choma, mbuzi, choma. So, mbuzi choma. So, muna offer mbuzi choma, kuku choma, and fried. Okay, so unaweza kutuonyesha kama tunataka maybe 1 kg of mbuzi or 2 kg, tutachagua gani?
Mbuzi kama hii. Kama hii 2.5
kg
1900. Alafu tuko na kama hii 1.5.
Okay. Hakuna mbavu?
Alafu bado tunaendelea.
Okay.
Tuko na kama hii 1.5. Haya, tuko na kama hii 1 kg.
1 kg. So utatuwekea hii 1.5. Alafu tunataka pia kukuchoma.
Kukuchoma utanipea kitu kama around 1 hour to 40 minutes.
Kukuchoma. So utamwambia?
Nitamuelezea.
Okay.
Wacha nimuite, nimwambie.
Sawa. So guys, as you can see, we've just ordered what we want to eat, which is the roasted mbuzi, and we want to do roasted kuku as well. So we are just going to show you how the launch 034 looks like. They don't just do food, but it's a launch where there's a bar as well. As you can see, it's all over a bar. There are children playground, which you are going to see as well. So we are just going to walk around and just continue to see how launch 034. Guys, we want just to walk around this place, and as you can see, it's a very, very nice place. And you can bring your kids, and you can see the table is being set. For those who like alcohol, you can bring your family here. As you take the alcohol, your family sits the other side, and your children play the other side. So you can just take a walk and around and you see the playground for the kids. So we have a massage parlor, the same place, guys. As you can see, the massage parlor is there. So we have the massage parlor, the same place. This is the way your kids can always dine. guys, we had ordered some delicacies here, and here with me I have fried chicken, and I have ugali. We have kachumbari. I'm just going to taste everything. We have chips. Yeah, take this one. Just want this one. And we have jamachoma. That we are just going to taste all of it. Yummy. Jamachoma. Kula mpaka hii. Hii ni mukimo. Mukimo ni tamu. Na ugali ni tamu. And the food is just amazing, guys. So when you are along Kitengela, make sure you visit this place. This place is called 034. They have the best chef, by the way. The food is tamu. Huh? So guys, you've seen the video today. It was just an amazing video. And remember, we are in Kitengela, Kajiado County, and the club is called 034. 034. By the way, inside here is where the club is. We are not allowed to get in unless you are an alcoholic. Wewe ni munywaji. So I hope you've loved the video today. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Guys, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my video. Bye for now.